Guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about and checking out the new Animal Company update. So, let's hop right in. So, apparently they added an elevator, changed sewers map, changed the mining map, and added this massive building, which releases on March 11th. So, let's hop right in. So, and we're also going to be trying to get into this update early and see what's inside of it. So let's hop right in. Where should we go first, Nora?
I say we head to Mines.
Mines first?
Yeah.
I say we check out the new update first.
Okay.
So you guys, from the new update, I'm just gonna grab that. And I'll take this bag. And then for the, I'm gonna get some.
Oh right, I have an umbrella.
Alright, let's go. Come on.
Wait, I don't have a teleportation
Oh my
ball.
gosh, guys.
Wait, what the? Wait, hold on. I got to get some teleportation balls.
That's the building. Oh my. Okay.
Okay, that's 3.
I have no idea why this is so laggy. Come on, Nora, this way.
I'm just gonna grab 2.
Oh wait, there's a building. There's a room. Wait.
Yo, wait!
Wait.
Don't use your grappler yet. I
know. Whoa.
wait.
Is this supposed to be here? Oh my gosh.
No.
Yo, we're in like the vents.
Oh, thankfully we brought a leg.
This is my bed. This is where I sleep.
In my bed. I wonder if there's a
Yo,
vent.
are we in the back rooms? Yo, Canopy Group. Sorry, elevator temporarily out of order?
Dude, wait, there's a person.
Wait, apparently, if I remember correctly, this is going to be a new monster in the game. So, sorry, elevator
creepy.
temporarily out of order, repairs to be complete by March 11th. Yo, guys, should we try and get in?
No. What if the new monster is in there?
I'm going to try and get in, alright, guys?
No, because it's locked, actually.
So, what if we drop this down? Sorry, Animal Company, I know I'm glitching, but... Oh, guys, I'm dropping. Oh, no. Wait, are we going into lava map? Yo, they changed lava map! Oh my gosh, guys. What is this? I'm on this weird little... Oh, wait, no. Wait, did they? I landed on this weird little ledge. What is this, guys? I actually... Whoa. Guys, this is insane. Guys, I gotta head back. You just dropped through the map. And again, Animal Company, I'm sorry for glitching. I really wanna see what's inside. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. What?
Come back. What the?
How'd you do that?
I don't know. I just joined back and it just happened.
Alright, let's go back there and see if we can find anything.
I do have a teleportation.
What if we take this
ball.
rocket and then like blast up? Because this would be crazy if we got in. So let's keep going.
Wait, you're going to lava map or what?
No, I'm trying to get into the new update.
What if the monster's in there? Evan, wait. It's pitch black. Okay.
So long. What if we place it in the corner right there? Dang it.
Hey. I'm going to lava map, see you. What the?
Alright, guys, prepare.
Bye.
That didn't get me anywhere. Yo, what's that?
I'm in lava map.
Wait, I'm in sewers?
Wait, what?
I'm jumping down to zero
I'm
gravity.
in lava map.
How did I get into sewers? Guys, this is crazy. Yo, I forgot pickaxe. Alright, guys, we gotta make it out. Or should we just kill myself? Let's just kill myself. Come here. I'm looking for some licorice because I hate
I'm back
licorice.
at spawn.
Yay!
Where are you?
Alright, guys, I just killed myself so we can get on with the video. Alright, so we are back after killing myself. So that's the new that's what's gonna be releasing March 11th.
I'm gonna
so let's
go
go
up
check
there.
out. Let's go. No. Can you buy me a pickaxe real quick? I don't have them unlocked. We are gonna
not
go
there.
check out. No. Oh, thank you. We are gonna go check out
Mine.
sewers and mines. Let's check out sewers first. I feel like I have a good feeling about sewers. Alright, let's go.
But okay.
Alright. So apparently this changed a lot. So, go here. Oh, and guys, I want to tell you something. So we're going to be doing live streams way more often. And every time we get a subscriber in a live stream, I'm going to be doing 10 or 20 push-ups. I think I'm going to do 10. And then once we hit like 1,000 subscribers, then I'll start doing 20. Oh my gosh, guys, this isn't. Bomb. Alright, guys, I think we made it. So, whoa! Wait, turkeys attack you? I hear you.
Dude, I'm literally being attacked by turkeys right now.
I'm coming. Yo, why is the bomb so big? Why is it red? Oh! Yo, guys. Oh, research token! No, we need to find our way out of here. Oh! No. Oh my gosh. Alright, I made it to parkour. I made it to first parkour. Yo, baby. Oh my gosh, that actually scared me, guys. Oh, there's another monster. Wait, did they combine it? Or wait, no. I just haven't been to sewers in a long time. Yeah, I just haven't been to sewers in a long time. Alright, guys. We're going to try and make it to zero gravity and also see how much money we can make. But so far, they changed sewers a lot. Like, no, oh my gosh, guys. That was close. Now that we have a pickaxe, we can see how much money we can get. Thank gosh. Thank God I had a pickaxe, or else I would have died. Alright, we're making it. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Mimic! It's just Toasty's girlfriend! Help me! Help me! It's just Toasty's girlfriend! No way I die from this, right? Oh! Ankles! No way. It's got RPG ammo. Yo, guys, I just got 2 research tokens. This is insane. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm blind. Jumping down here, guys. Now let's see how much money we can get. Alright, guys, here we are. Alright, let's go. Alright. What? I know, but you need 4,000 for Sky. Sorry, guys. My sister's trying to buy Sky. No way I haven't made any yet. Oh my gosh. How have I not got a single company coin? Let's see if we can get some research tokens though. Alright, we got some company, yeah, company coins. Oh my gosh, we got another one, guys. Alright, guys, so this video does not get so long. We're gonna not see how much money we can make. Hey, we got 3 research tokens in this video. That's pretty good. Alright, just to shorten down the video, I'm gonna do this thing where you just cancel your game and join back. We're head back in and let's go check out mines real quick. Alright.
King Shalaba.
Bing 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 bing. Oh, why can't I?
Guys, what's the update?
I was thinking that guy would respond back. Is anybody in my... Oh, wrong code. Alright, so remember guys, my fan code is Neo. We might end up changing it, but honestly, I said we keep it because I like that code. So let's go check out mines real quick.
Yeah, mines.
We're just gonna check it out a little bit because you guys will most likely be able to, or already have. Just make sure to go subscribe because making these videos and seeing that people actually watch them just makes my day.
Whoa!
So this has changed a lot. So it just seeing that people watch my videos just makes my day. I'm trying to become a YouTuber that at least has 1,000 subscribers. No, it's a big shot, but I genuinely think we can do it, guys. Wait, why is there a mimic? Guys, there's mimics? Oh gosh, guys.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we're not going that way.
Guys, mine just got a whole lot scarier. That's
Yeah, I did.
Did we already go this way? Yep. We gotta go that way.
Yeah. We didn't go the other way. This way.
Alright. Oh. Alright, no, we gotta go the other way. My fault.
Ow.
Alright, guys.
Be brave.
Go, go, go. It's right there. Go. Alright, guys. Alright.
Wait, did you get the minute?
No, just come on. Just gonna send it. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at all this amethyst. Oh no! Guys, we have gotten four research coins. That's insane, guys. I was at 4 at the start of this. Who are you? Are you a subscriber? Alright, guys, that's all we're gonna explore of mines. That's all we're going to explore of mine. And let's get out of here so we can end the video and go see if this is a subscriber. This is why I like being a YouTuber. I get to meet new people and they're happy to see me. I swear, if this is like I know it's not a player tracker. It's most likely one of my friends or a subscriber. I really hope it's a subscriber. Guys, I am lost. Oh, this way. Nope. Oh, guys, this is freaky. Oh, we made it. All right, let's go see if this is a subscriber or just somebody random. And guys, remember during live streams, every subscriber we get during a live stream equals 10 push-ups.
Oh, he's here.
Yo,
He's
who
here.
are you?
Don't worry about it.
Are you a subscriber?
No, I'm one of your friends with that blue glasses and white color.
Oh yeah, what's up? I'm actually recording right now.
Oh,
yeah.
oh,
Alright,
yeah,
so we
what's
got
up?
my friend
What's up?
here.
What's
I
up?
told you guys it's most likely a friend or a subscriber. So the video is that's you guys can check out more stuff. Oh, you can't do it, dang it. You guys can go check out more stuff. If we didn't cover it, please don't get angry. I'm a new content creator, so make sure to join fan code NEO, and remember, join the live streams. I do a lot of live streams, and remember, every subscriber during a live stream equals 10 push-ups. So you better subscribe. And if we get to 1K, we are gonna be doing this insane giveaway where we will be making $10 million in game and giving away so many rare items. So you guys better subscribe for that.
Yeah.
Alright, see you guys. I hope you guys
And
really
if you don't
enjoyed. And
subscribe-
remember, we bring the boom to Animal Company.
And if you don't subscribe, we're gonna tickle your toes.